Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today I will show you how to remove someone from group chat on iPhone. Okay, first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the messages. Once you open the messages, here you can see all the messages that you have. I'm gonna select the group that I want to remove someone from. Once you click on the group, here you can see the chat just like so. Simply click on the top of the screen where you can find the profile icon of the group itself. So simply click on the group icon. Once you click on the group icon, here you can see how many people are inside this group. Simply click on this arrow beside the number of people. Then it will display all the members of this group just like so. Now, if you want to remove one of them, you should swipe to the left on any one of them, and it will show you here this remove button. Simply click on remove, and here it will ask you if you want actually to remove this contact or this one from the group. Simply click on remove, and here you can see I have only two people inside the group. Now simply click on done on the top right side, and here on the messages you can see also on the group that you have removed this one from the conversation. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.